Hey guys, welcome to Naiwik Tech. In this video, I will be showing you the unboxing of Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3. It's a 15.3 inches laptop, and this laptop is powered by Intel 13th generation Core i5 processor, and it is a 16 GB RAM variant. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. This is how the box of Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 looks. You can get the Lenovo branding, and at the top there are some certifications and instructions on how to remove, and you will get the seal. And coming to the back, here you can see the model number Ideapad Slim 3 15 IRH101, and here is a MTM number 83K100C6IN. The price mentioned on the box is 82,490, but I got this laptop from Amazon for approximately 55,000. And with this laptop you will get Microsoft Office Home. Here you can see the apps included on this PC by default. On the left side of the box you can see the specifications of this laptop. This laptop is powered by Intel Core i5 13420H 2.1 gigahertz processor, and the RAM is 16 GB and the storage is 512 GB, and the display is 15.3 inches WUXGA IPS display, and it has a 3 battery cell, and it comes with Windows 11 Home by default. Let's open the seal. After opening, you need to remove the laptop carefully. Here is the laptop, and you will get some booklets, and you will get the charging cable. Here is the adapter. That's it. You will not get any other accessories. Inside the box you will get adapter, charging cable, and some booklets. And here is the laptop. Let's open the laptop from the cover. It's a 15.3 inches laptop. It is very lightweight, and this is how the laptop looks. Here is a Lenovo branding, and it's grey in color, and the back of the laptop looks like this, and here you can see the hologram, and you can see the model number sticker. The bottom has some raised lips, so the heat dissipates quickly, and here is the adapter. It is a 65 watts adapter, and the pin looks like this, charging pin. You need to insert this inside the adapter like this, and this goes inside the laptop. The charging cable length is pretty good. Let's open the laptop. I have attached the travel adapter to power source. Here is the charging hole. You need to insert this pin inside that. You can see the orange light. Now let's open the laptop. Inside you will get a brochure. Congratulations on your recent Lenovo purchase. They have given information on how to upgrade your warranty. You will find this some cloth type material. Over there they have given the information of the ports on the laptop. Here you can see power connector, which we have just connected, and HDMI connector, and so on. Let's remove this. This is how the keyboard of the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 looks. It has 16:10 display ratio, and it has a camera with privacy button shader. We will see that, and you can see Intel Core i5 processor logo. Let's close the lid. Now let's look at the physical overview of this Ideapad Slim 3. On the top you have the Lenovo branding, and it's a matte grey. It has a smooth finish. And let's look at the ports on this laptop. On the right side of the laptop you have this Nova button, and here is a power button, and here is a SD card slot. You have a USB port over here. At the bottom you have the grill to dissipate the heat. At the back you don't find any ports. On the left side you have the port to charge your laptop. You have a USB port over here, and HDMI connector, Type C port, and 3.5 mm audio port jack. That's it. These are the ports. Now let's open the laptop. Here is a trackpad and keys. This laptop has a backlit keyboard and here is a speaker. You can clip this laptop in 180 degrees like this. Here you can see that almost 180 degrees. And here is a 15.3 inches IPS display and here is the camera. Let's remove the sticker. This camera has a physical button to open or close the camera for privacy concern. By default it is closed. If it is showing red color, it means that the camera is closed. If you want to use the camera, simply slide to the right, the camera is open. So the laptop looks like this. It is pretty good and it is very lightweight. Let's connect the power source and turn on the laptop and you can see that light, red light. Let's turn on the laptop. Let's click the power button. We need to set up the laptop. Select your country first. Now it is checking for updates and if there is an update, it will download the updates for you. So this process may take some time. So I'm going to pause this video and I will get back. Now you can see that the laptop has been booted up. Here you can see the out of 474 GB, 412 GB is free out of the box. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.